We're back, CS 2020. We are now with Jacob at EVGA. He's going to tell us about everything new from EVGA for 2020.
Yeah, so we'll start right here. So here we have some graphics cards. So the new one for CES is this one here. This is actually called the RTX 2060 KO. So this card is a brand new 2060 card that we're going to launch this Friday. That's going to become available this Friday. The KO name is actually a name that we used a long time ago. For a long time EVGA fans, we used it on like the 8800 GTX series, so we brought that name back. And what we're really trying to do is bring the RTX 2060 to a new price level, and also in addition to that, bring features that people want. So this is a dual fan card, it's dual slot, and it even has a backplate. And nice. This card is going to be $299 on starting this Friday.
Perfect.
Yep.
Nice.
And then the next two cards here are not new for CES, but they are some of the newer cards that we launched. So this is the 1660 Super and the 1650 Super. So these are the new GPUs from NVIDIA, the Super Series on the 16 series platform, and they're fantastic cards for at the price point that they're at. They give you great 1080p, 60 frames per second gaming performance in most of the latest titles as well.
And great low power too.
Yeah, low powers, compact design, also dual fan on those as well. And they even have backplates, so nice. Can't go wrong.
All right.
All right, so this is the EVGA SR3 motherboard. So we showed this off at Computex for the first time. We are going to start shipping this board next week. So this is a high-end platform. Again, we're bringing back the older
SR2.
EVGA names. We had
missing the dual slot though.
It is missing the dual slot,
yeah.
But the DNA of the SR series was really about taking the workstation platform and adding enthusiast features on it. And that's what we did with this one. So this is the SR3. So what we did is essentially this is a Xeon platform with a lot of enthusiast features. We have a water block that's on the VRM and chipset. You can run it with or without water cooling. 24 power phases on there. It has 4 8-pin power inputs for overclocking. Of course, it has the overclocking BIOS as well from EVGA, which a lot of people really like. And yeah, we're pretty excited about this one. We have a 3175X CPU in there, and it can overclock, which is to be able to overclock 28 cores is pretty cool.
That's awesome. I love how all the power mounts to it. So clean.
Yeah, so we do right-angled power connectors on the edge of the board. That's something that we just started doing. Z390, I think, was the first one that we started doing the right-angled on the right edge of the board. It really cleans up the wiring. It looks nice in the case also. Yeah. And the other new thing on this platform here is we have the new Audio Pro. So a year ago at CES, we launched the new audio. That was a 2-channel audio card. We co-developed it with Audio Note, and we are bringing the new Audio Pro at CES here. This is 7.1, so that's the biggest addition is you get the full 7.1. You have a daughter board actually here, which connects to the main card. This gives you the additional audio channels. However, you can just run that one by itself if you want. We've also made some other improvements to it. We've improved the software, which applies to both the new Audio Pro and the previous new audio.
Nice.
We improved some of the RGB lighting effects on there as well. You have a lot of different settings for how you want to display that. And we added backplates.
The backplate does look nice.
You got to have backplates. Right?
Yeah.
So both of these cards have backplates on them, so they look nice in the case. And yeah,
perfect.
Give a good audio experience for sure.
That's great. What else do we have from EVGA for this year?
So let's see. Maybe we can head over here. So on the power supply side, so G5 series is, we've been shipping G5 series this last year. Actually. Forgot it's 2020. Right? So in 2019, we launched G5 series. That's our highest performing gold rated platform. 150 millimeters in length, very compact for an ATX form factor power supply. Now we have B5 series. B5 series, pretty much the same as G5, is bronze rating. So a little bit lower price point on there, but you still get fully modular. It's still compact size. And the other new series here is the BA series. That is going to be a very entry level power supply that is not, it's not modular and all that, but it'll be a very attractive price point for somebody looking for like an entry level power supply.
It's good to hear. All right. Thank you so much, Jacob.
Yeah,
I hope you have a great CES.
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks.
Thank you.